Welcome back to the BabieMook channel. If you have never been here before, I sometimes watch movies, I sometimes watch TV shows, I sometimes talk about stuff. And today we are watching The Autopsy of Jane Doe. I've heard of this show, but I've never watched it. I know a lot of people that like horror movies, they have talked about this. I honestly don't know if they said if it was good or bad. I kind of zoned that out, but I do know people have talked about it before. So today I'm going to watch it. Now our little description here.
It says, a father-son team of small-town
coroners. Coroners? I don't know.
performs an autopsy on an unidentified woman with mysterious injuries and a terrifying secret.
Seems pretty interesting, so let's get into it. Yeah. Alright. My headphones are probably far too loud. Imposter. Among Us, yes. I have no idea what we're getting into. Leaves rustling, wind howling. Dun dun dun. Grantham, Virginia. I'd be lying to say I have heard of that place, but I'm not from Virginia. So, damn. Dude, I think my headphones are way too loud. Uh-oh. Perhaps a murder? Oh. Murders. Jesus, everyone's dead.
Sheriff, you gotta get down here.
Color me intrigued. Can't show that.
We got an ID on her?
No, sir. No relation to Paul and Carol.
Well, for now, she's a Jane Doe.
I totally forgot that Jane Doe was like a term that people use.
It looked like someone broke in. To me, it looks like they were trying to break out.
Interesting. Trying to break out. This place already looks creepy. Tilden. I haven't seen a jump scare yet, but Tilden, I'm alright. What are we listening to? £225? God damn. 225 pounds of lean muscle. Okay, bruh, this is fucking disgusting.
Subdural hematoma. That's what did it. Not the smoke. Everybody has a secret. Some just hide them better than others.
Some people are better at finding them.
You did good.
Grabbed his cock.
You did good.
Emma wants to go see a movie at the Strand.
Ooh.
The Notebook.
Oh, yeah, your mother made me go and see it.
Good movie. I have seen that one.
I fell asleep 5 minutes in.
Come on, dude. I hate people that talk shit on The Notebook. It's like a actually good romance movie. Not saying romance movies are bad, but just saying that one's pretty damn good. It's the reason everyone talks about it. I've been having bad GERD issues, so if you guys hear me making weird noises, sorry. Oh, hell yeah. You never catch me working a morgue, that's for damn sure. One, I'm not qualified, but two, scary. Uh-oh, here we go. What the
Stanley.
Stanley.
Hey, Dad.
Oh my god, you're gonna raw dog that?
Stanley got another one.
What's your predictions, Chad? What do we think is gonna happen? We're gonna see some creepy shit with that later. Fucking bitch. Sorry, didn't know she was a girl.
It's so easy.
How'd you get down here?
The key was in the elevator.
He was in the elevator?
You said it was.
Where are you going?
I'm having a little look.
Come
At the morgue? Why are we meeting up at the morgue?
Hey, come on.
What's the rush?
I've been down here all day.
There's dead bodies in here. Also, this is most definitely not allowed, right? Well, I guess it's a morgue, but surely she's...
Are these all people?
Just 3.
Can I see one?
What? No.
I knew she was gonna ask that.
Why not?
Some things you can't unsee, okay?
Oh
on, I
my
can
good
handle
lord. Why don't you say, um,
And my dad, he's way too strict.
it's illegal. Try me? What?
So, What'll it be?
Not that one.
A body's a body.
It's gonna be the dude that's like all cooked and whatnot. Okay, the dad has something.
Make sure he's dead. There used to be a time it was hard to tell a comatose person from a dead one. I'm a bit of a traditionalist.
Who shot him?
Angle of entry suggests he did it to himself.
There's no HIPAA in this universe.
Why would anyone do that?
Leave the why to the cops and the shrinks. We're just here to find cause of death.
For real. Got a journalist in the building.
You should have seen the look on your face.
I can't wait to see the look on your face. I'm not getting late.
Wait, whoa, hold on.
Hold on. I'm getting late tonight.
Sheriff,
Sheriff,
Where's your dad?
what happened?
where's your
Get
dad?
back here,
I mean, he wouldn't be here this late if it wasn't important.
Here we go.
Oh, my dad.
There it is.
I can't ditch him.
Yeah, I think your dad can probably handle it.
This isn't my life. I don't want to be Austin Tilden, the morgue worker. And don't smile, because a smile means yes, I know it's in.
I don't know if the court of law will agree with that.
You're hot.
Thank you. So is this also the crib? We living with the dead bodies? She don't even look dead, I'm gonna be honest.
Stanley.
Stanley.
Damn thing gets meaner by the day.
First thing tomorrow, I'll bring him in, but for now, she's the priority.
Well, still, it would have been nice to take a look at the crime scene.
You think he just waited there waiting for a moment? Wish we could have seen the crime scene. Hey son, where's your girlfriend by the way? She's waiting outside the door, preparing what she's gonna say. You talking about me?
By female, henceforth known as Jane Doe.
Wonder what this is for.
And finally, the brain.
If I only got a brain.
Eyes.
Blind?
Gray.
You don't see clouding like that unless the body's been dead for days.
Maybe she has been.
Mark it down on the board. We'll come back to it later.
I'm here for it. The suspense is pretty cool. I'm here for it.
Her wrists and ankles are fractured.
It's under her toenails.
Oh my
too.
god, stop it.
Oh.
I hadn't expected that. 2 girls.
1 cup. Yeah. Of course it's a stormy night. Why wouldn't it be?
Barely out of the external. We got a ways to go.
Yeah, fuck that. I will say though, if I'm in their shoes, I'm not really thinking anything much of it either. Now that, I don't know about
They're
that.
not supposed to bleed like that, right?
Only in a fresh corpse. Today,
Easy.
I need you to focus here.
I got it.
Ew. Oh my good lord. Would they really come out like that?
The lungs, severely blackened. I'd expect the body to be covered in 3rd-degree burns. It's like finding a bullet in the brain, but with no gunshot wound.
Yeah. Interesting.
I'll get it.
No. Some shit's about to go down. Why are we not droning? Jinxie. Imagine if Sketch was the villain in this movie. What's up, brother? Check corners.
What happened to you?
Some bad shit. Sorry for cussing. What the fuck happened? He said dope. Homer Simpson, boy. Damn, he's bleeding. Stanley. God. Stanley. Stanley hurt. That's fucked up, dude. Sheesh. Dude, R.I.P. Stanley. That fucking sucks, dude. You will not be forgotten, Stanley. Now this ghost is on my bad side. You don't just fuck with the cat like that.
Stanley was a pain in the ass, but he was your mother's. One of the few things of hers I had left.
Yeah, I miss her too.
Right. Let's keep going. This is stage 3 of the autopsy of Jane Doe. Beginning with the stomach and the gastrointestinal system.
Dad, you can talk to me.
I'm not keeping anything from you.
You put up this act for people.
I'm fine.
Come on, son. You had to say this with the cameras rolling? Ew. Bruh, I can't.
Flour?
Jimson weed, paralyzing agent. Probably explains the inflammation in her organs. That settles it. She's from up north.
I mean, does that explain that? Couldn't they have just like brought the flower from up north?
You wanna leave? Leave.
He's like, shit, I mean, I kinda wanna leave. What's that? Like a sack? Tissue? Tooth.
It looks like some kind of shroud.
And old.
They're way too calm about this. Well, the heart looked like it had incisions in it, so she's definitely been sewn up.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Said that like 15 times this movie.
What MO have we seen so far?
First, they bound her. Then they ripped out her tongue, poisoned her, paralyzed her, forced her to swallow the cloth. Then the cuts, the internal mutilation, stabs. Then, as if that wasn't enough, they burned her.
No way. Her body.
You've got a flash flood warning now in full effect for all of Grantham.
If there was, I don't mess with weather. You know, if I have an option to leave, if I have the option to leave, I'm leaving. When weather's bad.
Are not just CODs, Dad. This happened to her for a reason.
Trust me when I tell you, this is not a storm you want to get caught in.
The radio just keeps on telling that. If you're in a morgue right now, get home. Stop.
You're not going anywhere.
Hey, Dad.
You're gonna want to take a look at this.
I think maybe we should get out of here.
Okay, that's objectively worse. You're just like, fuck it, dude, this music will do.
Oh, shit.
Alright, dude. Fuck it. I'm grabbing my dad. First thing I'm doing. She's gonna be gone or moved.
Dad?
Fuck.
Dad?
Skinwalker type beat? Oh, I thought he was stabbed.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Thank you. But the storm, always the storm.
Generator.
Nice.
There's not enough power.
You're locked in here with me. Fuck! I knew he was gonna say that.
Yeah.
I got no single down here. For Pete's sake. I hope it's her walking around. That'd be kind of creepy.
What the hell was that?
Oh no.
This is Tommy Tilden. It's an emergency. We need help. Sorry, trouble hearing. Put Burke on the line.
Dude, I'd be
Sheldon, it's Tommy.
young Sheldon.
You better get over here now. Sheldon, please!
I mean, surely they would just send people anyway, right? I should have saw that coming. It's the girl. Ding, ding, ding. You should have saw your face. I was laughing because I was thinking about the dad looking at his butt.
What the fuck is going on?
What the fuck is going on?
It's her.
You're talking about a corpse.
Oh my god, stop.
We should have left. I wanted to leave.
Yeah, but you would have left your dad, so.
Dad!
Pretty cool.
Dad?
Oh, shit. Oh, God.
Oh god.
Her eyes. It had her eyes.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. It's her.
That's not possible.
Her body, those things we found inside, those were impossible. We are way past possible.
Don't you ever say it's impossible. You can believe everything you put your mind to. Nah, bros are about to cook. Oh god. Listen, it was all good until they tried to scare the girl. My leading theory as of right now is that girl's like, you think you could scare me? Alright. And then she put all this together. But that's just a theory. A movie theory.
Let's get her to the crematorium.
Type shit. Something about putting her skin like that, like it was a vest, made me feel weird. Bro, grab a knife or something. Ow. Nice. They have an axe. I knew it. You see me up that far? Nah. What's Jit doing?
Fuck it.
If you say so, son. No, Dad.
Jesus.
That's what you gotta say?
The extinguisher.
The extinguisher. Shit, the extinguisher worked like a charm. If I do say so myself. Oh, God. Oh, God. Not gonna lie, I don't know about if going in the elevator was even a good option, so. Uh-oh. Honestly, you might as well just charge at him. All on a day's work. Just the girlfriend. I mean, surely the son won't be mad at the dad.
Come on, son.
I feel so bad for the father, dude. Hey man, still could be an illusion. Is he gonna have all the markings at the end of this?
It's my fault.
You couldn't have known.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what everyone told me. About your mom.
Yo mama.
To think she was carrying around all that pain.
Oh, that ass. Oh god. RP Emma, RP Mama. I don't even know what happened to Mom, so let me not make jokes.
Oh, my mistakes. And you've had to pay for them.
Now I just fucking chopped up your girlfriend on accident, so shit. I've been fucking up lately. Why don't you say let's go grab a beer? Sounds like that weather cleared up after all.
It's like there's something she doesn't want us to find.
Oh my god, the smoke VFX, dog.
You want to go back in there?
If we stay here, we're dead. If we could just figure out how she died.
Well, also you're not doing anything right now, so you might as
Maybe
well.
we can figure out how to stop her.
R.I.P. I'm glad he didn't get mad at the dad. I'm glad he didn't get mad at the dad. Think it's gonna blacken their lungs?
Right behind you.
Right behind you. Wasn't he leading the way? That's kind of creepy. I don't want to watch this, bro. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe. Oh my good lord. Comment, hit that bell. Yep, just put that back on. Son, do you mind handing me the duct tape?
That's why we couldn't find cause of death.
She's still alive.
She's still alive.
We lit her on fire. We took out her heart.
Hey, wake up. Wake up.
What the?
What the?
They are a witch, and their blood shall be on their own heads.
They tortured her.
Ritual didn't work.
So...
She wants us to feel it, too. This is our revenge.
So then, like, kill her? Right? Or they know?
This is her ritual. She's still suffering. And it won't stop. It won't stop until...
Till what?
Till then. Is he gonna, like, sacrifice himself or something? What in the world?
Don't hurt him. Let me help you.
So then everything's gonna happen. So then is she gonna get brought back to life? Everybody in the house died at the intro, so I wonder if the boy is still gonna die. Yeah, had to do it. R.I.P. Dad. So what's up with her though?
I can't!
Open up!
I can't!
Open up your heart and let the sun shine in.
It's pretty creepy.
My sun shine
That made me jump a little. Is now everyone dead? Yeah. And the curse continues.
No obvious signs of forced entry.
His eyes aren't.
Looks an awful lot
aren't
like he.
Well, it's going to be another nice one out there. Today's our fourth straight
The
day of
camera-
sunshine.
you come on fire,
Looking at a
though.
high of 7.
Get her out of here.
Already got a car waiting. There's that funeral home over in Roxton.
Get her out of my county. Take her over to VCU.
Her eyes are back to white though. So she just carries the curse everywhere. Yes, she is the curse. Jane Doe. Aw, that was cute. Cutesy.